Run. Run. No. Let's go, dude. Let's go. What up, everybody, and welcome back. So sorry if the lighting sucks, but so we're at this park today. We're gonna go inside this really scary haunted sewer tunnel. We have to hop fences and like trails and stuff. So here we go. Parkour. No grip. No. Are so thick. Frank. When you got this, mate. Yes. Okay. We have to walk down this treacherous hill. Way above the borderline. You pushed me right into the deep end, girl. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay, so we're walking there right now, and we'll check back in with you guys when we get close. Guys, we're here. Here, hold. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. Did you see that? Oh. What the frick is this, Jackson? I don't know. Now it's just Jackson. Oh my god, dude. Dude, this is shiz. Shit. Sorry, I'm not foul, but. Yeah, sorry. Oh, shiz. What was that? You see that? Oh my gosh, guys, this is scary. Go, dude. Go left. Oh wait, we gotta leave a marker. Yeah. Guys, Andy, which way should we go? This way. Careful. What was that? Yo. Okay, go. Andy, go. I need to get on that side. Guys, this is scary.
Imagine like a sewer that would come south.
That's actually kind of cool. Oh, did you hear that?
Okay, let's just keep going. Guys, this is really scary.
Guys. Dude. No.
What was that? Did you hear that?
In real life, that was.
No, did you not? That's like.
Oh, shit.
You see that, right?
I don't know what's going on.
It's so disgusting. It's so scary.
Okay, wait. This is. Dude, be careful right here. It's so slippery.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm being dead serious. You're gonna like slip.
Oh, shit. Guys, it's really slippery.
Okay. Bro. Is this not like the scariest thing ever? What the fuck? Yo!
Just keep going.
No, wait, stop. Dude, okay, wait.
I almost slipped, you guys. Means weak arms are heavy. I'm just like.
Dude, we're going back. We're back. Dude, frick this. F this. Come on.
Thank God for the telephone. Oh,
Dude. Run, 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 run. Shiz. Dude.
Check behind us.
No, just run. Oh my god. No.
Let's go, dude. Guys. Dude,
Guys.
I swear I saw something behind us.
I know, come on, we gotta go. Yeah.